Welcome back to my channel. This is the silver cell we've been going over to make that 10-ounce bar. We've taken impure silver and run it through here, and we're cleaning it up. And I was doing a little maintenance on it. I want to put a spacer in it to raise it. These crystals are starting. So I made a little spacer to lift the basket up so we could grow just a little bit longer. But that's we'll see how that works out. They get a little big. They're getting close to my anode basket. I don't want them to short out. So what I'm going to do is knock them down, and then we might harvest. I don't know. I'm starting to see them get a little spindly. We'll see. We're going to run it just one more day, I think, and then we'll harvest. So let me give you a bird's eye view. It's not too bad. It's not the kind of size crystals I'd like. See right there where they're kind of spindly. And I'll show you one I ran on a 2-liter cell. But that's it. I probably should have given you a little bird's eye view of the shop. But look at this, man. This thing's one sheet of crystal. Anyway, we're going to start it back up. There's a lot of little silver in here. I almost feel like let's just pour the bar with what I have. We'll just make a bigger bar with this, whatever we have. And because I've already refined the silver. I'm in the military, kind of like to finish this project and start up my sulfuric acid cell. All right, so this is the silver from the silver cell slimes. It kind of always looks like a lot, but then when you pour it in the shot, it's not. So I'm not going to get real excited about it, but it's a little silver recovery. So what I like to do is take this silver solder that's on air conditioned pipe and refrigeration, ice makers, things like that. I like to take that and melt that into a bar and then run it through my copper cell. And then that's what you end up in the long run. Now I've had to clean up the slimes and then put it in nitric, but that's the end result. So we go from that to the sulfuric acid cell, to the slimes, to that, and then we put it in here for further refining. So, how I spoke about how I like that cell, the smaller cells to grow the bigger crystals. Let's pull out some examples where we grew with a 2-liter, just out of here. So this is what I like to grow. I feel like those are good crystals. This is a little smaller one. A 2-liter cell with a smaller cathode makes really nice crystals. So I don't know if we're going to get something like that out of here, but we're going to, we're going to try. But I feel like the smaller cell makes the better crystals. Maybe if you had 10 pounds of silver, you could do that, but man, I'm a just ordinary guy, dude. I'm not a millionaire. So, but anyway, we can always strive, right? And we're going to start that back up. Oh, we are. We're running, man, tag on. That's we're running 3.5 constant volts, and we're pulling about 3.2 amps right now. So we're going to let that run tonight. And then I think I'm going to pour this. I'm going to use this to pour that bar. All right, we're going to finish it up, man, because I got to run this. I got to run that through, and I've got a line on some more sterling silver at the local coin shop. I got to pick up on Monday, but we're going to have to slow that cell down overnight and watch our silver consumption, because I'm out, man. That cemented silver right there is it. I got to process some more.